Hey, are you like me and love coffee in around the Lake Martin area? I thought I'd shoot a video to show some of the best local spots to get your coffee fix around Lake Martin.
Okay, first up is Brew 63, and it's located in Catherine's Market, which is in Russell Crossroads. And they have converted the entire back side of Catherine to their coffee shop, and it is great. I love to get hot coffee there, but I also like to go and get their ground coffee.
Another place to grab a coffee or a latte is the Kowaliga General Store, and it's like downtown Kowaliga, which is on Highway 63. It's located in between the Dollar General and the Lake Martin Mini Mall, if you know where that is, but it's also a great spot for coffee. I'm on a mission to be the most helpful real estate agent on Lake Martin, bar none, and that's why I do these videos. Because I figure if I help you out and give you value when it's time to make a real estate choice, maybe we'd be a good fit. If you think we might be a good fit on the selling or buying side, please give me a call. I'd love to help out.
And Nirvana Latte has been here a long time, but they just expanded. They've like doubled their size. They serve ice cream, they serve lunch, and awesome coffee, and a great breakfast.
Another place to get coffee is the Grand Bakery. It's in downtown Dadeville. They also sell cake pops, like oatmeal cream pies. It's pretty awesome. Another spot around Lake Martin to get it is Two Ghosts Coffee. It's located in downtown Dadeville on the back side of the courthouse.
Another coffee shop that's great that Lake Martin fans might not know about is Restoration 49 in Tallassee. So it's south of Lake Martin, about 15 minutes from the Eclectic side, and it is a great coffee shop. It's in downtown Tallassee, and it is a treasure, really cool spot, really good coffee and nice people.
Another place is the brand new Starbucks. It's on the intersection of 280 and 63 on the north side of the Lake Martin area in the Alexander City area.
So I hope this has helped you to find local coffee spots around Lake Martin. We have a bunch of them. So please visit them. If you have questions about real estate while you're here, I'm John Kowaliga with Lake Martin Voice Realty. And I also have an app that's called Lake Martin Voice. It's free. It's inside your app store. And it has all these coffee spots with their hours, their location, and everything on it. So you can download it and enjoy it.